Hi everyone, this is Kasha. I'm feeling artsy, and today we're gonna learn how to draw donuts for dads or just dad donuts. We're gonna start with a pencil and a plain paper, and I'm gonna pretty much do exactly the same thing I did over here. So the first thing is the letter D, and it's just like a regular D on the outside, except for we want to round up the corners to give it this donutty look. So you're gonna go down and then you're gonna round your corners here and make it as round as you can. So like this. We use pencils so we can correct ourselves like I just did and erase the lines we no longer need. I'm gonna do a circle in the middle of this D, and then I'm gonna do these lines for the icing, frosting. This is chocolate frosting on this one. So these lines are just like these squiggly lines that go around inside your D, and they don't follow a pattern, they don't have to be exactly anything. Then we're gonna do our A, and our A is also as round as we possibly can, and we want it to be as big as the D. So you start somewhere close to your D and you go up, you round up your top, so you almost draw like a triangle, and then you come back in from both sides for the A shape. And again, if it's not perfect, it's okay. Correct yourself, erase the lines you no longer need. And we're going to do a circle in the middle just like the D for the A. And again, we're going to draw the lines, the squiggly line around inside our A for the frosting. And the last piece is the last D, which is exactly like this one. So you go down for the D, you round it up as much as you can, so it's almost like a circle, and then you circle inside for the donut hole. And again, the squiggly lines for the frosting. Okay, I'm gonna also draw the sprinkles. If you don't want sprinkles on yours, go ahead and start coloring. I'm gonna do sprinkles that are ovals and little dots. You can do just the ovals, just the dots, or no sprinkles at all. On the A, I'm also gonna do the heart sprinkles because we love our dads, and that's why we're drawing this picture for them. So on the A, I'm gonna do the heart-shaped sprinkles. And plain sprinkles again on my other D. Once your sketch is done, you can go ahead and start coloring. I'm gonna use a sharpie to outline everything. I'm gonna use this blue for the blue frosting. I'm gonna use the brown for the chocolate frosting. And I'm gonna use these two colors for the sprinkles. And I will use the orange for my donuts. You can use markers just like I'm doing, or you can use crayons, colored pencils. You can even paint your letters. There you have it. My donuts for dads are done. Hope you liked my video. If you did, give me a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe so you can see my next one. I hope to see you soon.